Welcome to Trimo BIM tutorials. In this chapter we will explore how to correctly set Trimoterm corners. Let's continue working on a wall drawn in previous tutorial. Enter curtain wall edit mode and select corner frames. From a drop-down selection box change boundary frame, cap, to corner frame and press OK. The correct Trimoterm FTV corner frame is set. Now let's add some information to curtain wall corner elements. Select all neighboring Trimoterm corners and press Ctrl+T. Type in the distinct ID of each corner leg to find its pair in CWFTV panel schedules. Press OK. See the result in 3D window and ground floor. The same principle applies for vertical Trimoterm FTV wall. Let's see how to close vertical Trimoterm FTV wall with a corner flashing. Select the first curtain wall and press Ctrl+T. In curtain wall system, select FTV corner panels and change them to corner type A3. Press OK. Enter curtain wall edit mode and set correct vertical corner flashing using hotspots. Exit edit mode. Select the second curtain wall and press Ctrl+T. In curtain wall system, select FTV corner panels 1 and change them to corner type B3. Press OK. Exit the edit mode. To set the correct length of prolongation flashing, select first flashing and press Ctrl+T. Values can be set using end cutting function. Repeat the procedure for flashing of the second curtain wall. To make the flashing shorter, use the negative value of -250 mm. Exit the edit mode. Vertical Trimoterm FTV corner flashing is now correctly set. Thank you for watching. You are welcome to check the rest of the series.